Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now this is going to be a first IKEA haul on my channel. Yeah, I have never actually shopped from IKEA. I have heard a lot of things about them, that they have very good quality products and all, and definitely when there are better quality products and if at all it is in affordable range, then definitely I would like to go and order something. And exactly I did the same thing. I went ahead on their online e-commerce store or whatever you say. I never went to their outlet. We have one outlet, but I never went over there. I went to their online store. I selected few products, I added them to my cart and I went ahead and ordered it. Okay, now the shipping of IKEA is little bit different from what we order from Amazon, Myntra, Nykaa and all. They have little bit different policies and all. So if you want to if you want to know what are their policies, what all things I got, like how I got and everything, then please do keep on continuing watching. Now before that, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, if you have not already subscribed, please hit the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And second thing, if you are wondering what is there on my lips, because I always do get comments that what I have applied on my lips, then definitely I would like to let you all know that this lipstick is from Aswa Halal. It is their matte liquid lipstick. I'll show you the packaging. It is their 08 a sparkling purple. This is the lip color. Okay, and if at all you all are wondering, yes, I have already chopped my nails and I have not removed the nail polish. I was not having actually enough time, so I've just kept the nail polish as it is, and yeah, I have already chopped off my nails, so making that things clear. Now I would just like you to show the parcel. I'm not sure whether the box will come. See, y'all can see this is the IKEA box. Okay, this is a huge box and I don't think it will fit in the full screen also. So I have kept the box aside over here and I'll show you one by one, because it is not possible to show like remove in front of the camera. That is, I have kept it over here. These are the slips what it comes with the box. I do not want to show the slips because inside it there is my address, so I do not want to show it. So security reason, this is the bill. Now when you shop on IKEA, they have a flat shipping cost. Yes, you do have to flat shipping. Yeah, like you do have to pay flat shipping. That is from 0 to 3 kgs. They have some shipping. From 3 to 5 or maybe 3 to 7, they have different shipping costs. So accordingly, whenever you go like on the IKEA's website, you have to check the shipping cost. You have to calculate. They will calculate, of course, but you have to check your pin code and then they'll tell you the shipping cost. What I paid was 0 to 3 kg. It was 200 rupees. That is 199 flat. So whatever things I am showing you, everything will weigh under 3 kg. So I had to pay 199 flat shipping cost on my full order. And they have pretty good array of products. Basically they are catering more towards home furnishing, home decor, makeup drawers and all. Y'all must be aware IKEA LX is basically very famous for their makeup drawer. They have that white full cabinet, chest of drawers of full 9 drawers. If possible, I'll put up the image over here, so definitely go, you can check the image. IKEA is basically famous for their LX as well as MALM. I'm not sure how they pronounce, but MALM, MALM drawers. They are famous for that. And in that IKEA LX, basically it is famous for white, but they do have dark blue color also, but it is famous for white, 9 drawers. So basically that thing. Okay, now I'll show you the, if at all you have any query for IKEA, let me know in the comment, or else I'll give you my Instagram handle also over here. Definitely you can DM me over there. Whatever possible from my end, I will definitely guide you on that. Okay. These are basically the packaging. These are not egg stands. These are the packaging in which the parcel came. So I just wanted to show you. And instead of bubble wrap, they have used this kind of wooden wrapping. Okay, so first we'll start with this product itself. Now this is basically for my wash basin, whatever we have. This is the pump bottle. It is very simple, plain, elegant. This is actually my style. Okay, it is a pump bottle. You have to just pour your liquid, whatever hand wash liquid you have to pour in this, and this is a squeezy, like you just have to squeeze it and you can use it. I'm not sure actually the content, that is the net quantity, how much it will contain. It was written in the product description, but over here it is not, I cannot see. Let me check. Still I will check, and if possible, product name, it is a Tackan, Tackan, height, okay, 200 ml. Yeah, 200 ml it will contain in this. And why I got this, it is transparent bottle, so that whenever the liquid, the inside liquid gets over, I can easily make out that if it is going to get over, so I can pour it again. And this is a glass one. Yes, this is a glass one, and it is with the cream color, beige color, screw, this and pump, and this is plastic, this is glass. So this is the first thing. The second thing, basically I got mixture of everything. Second thing is a spatula, like you can say kitchen utensils. These are basically set of three. One is a kind of a small spatula, then you have a tong, and then you have a small spoon. Okay, I am sure 100% this is for 139 rupees. If at all the price is over here 139 rupees. Okay, I paid 99 rupees for this three. This is plastic, and I can say this is pretty good. Not excellent quality, but in 99 rupees I can say definitely a pretty good quality. And whatever the, if possible, I'm not sure whether I can link the products in the description box. If at all possible, I'll link the product. If not, I'll give you the name of the product. So from the name, definitely you can go ahead and you can check the product. This is MRP 139. I got it for 99 rupees. Okay, this is MRP. I'm not sure whether it is written the MRP on this. No, I cannot see MRP on this, but I got this, I think, for 59 rupees, if I'm not wrong. 59 rupees. So 99, 59. Two things gone. The third thing is a hand glove. Now you all must be wondering why hand glove. If you all are not aware, then definitely I would like to know, I would like to tell you all that I am suffering from severe eczema. I have eczema on my hands. That is, if I work too much in water, my fingers get eczema. They are eczema prone. So it gets cut automatically and the blood oozes out. And I went to the skin specialist, and I went to the dermat and all, and I showed them. Then the doctor in charge, he told me that I have severe eczema. I should not work in water. But then that is not possible for me, since you all know my lifestyle. I have to work under water, I have to work. So that is why I got this kind of gloves. Suppose whenever if I have any cut or anything, if I put my hand in water, it burns like anything. So that is why I got this. So suppose if I have, I can wear this and I can work. And the MRP of this is 125 rupees written over here. You all can see. But I got it for 85 rupees. Yes, I paid 85. I have not yet opened it. But if at all you all want, you all can let me know. I can give you the picture. This is for 85 rupees. So this is the third thing. Now the fourth thing is, I'm not sure, because now it will reflect. This is a mirror. This is a portable mirror. Basically, now you all know, if I'm doing some makeup tutorial or maybe some short video or something, I had to hold the mirror and then I have to do, because my dressing mirror is inside, and every time it is not possible for me to go in my other room and shoot, because I have some lighting setup and also it is not possible. Then it's okay. This is I think for 389 rupees, but I got it for 349. No, it is for 559, but I paid 349 rupees. 389. Yeah, 389 rupees for this mirror. Okay, I'll make a short separate video for this mirror, making it and arranging it, like how you can fix, because this all comes in different parts. You just have to assemble it, and you have to, it is kind of a table mirror where the mirror will rotate. I'll put up an image over here so you'll have an idea, and this is available on Amazon also. If you check IKEA mirror, it is available on Amazon, but then it was too costly. It was for 559 and I got it for 389. So that is why I ordered. You won't believe, just for this mirror I had got all this. I've got all these products. Just I wanted this mirror and I ordered all this, and I got it for 389, MRP 559, if at all I have not told you. Okay, the next thing is a small chopping board. Okay, it is very small. Basically, I do not use any kind of chopping board. I use my fingers only to chop the vegetables. The MRP is written over here 95 rupees, but I got it for I think 59 rupees. I'm pretty sure. And the size and everything is given. So if at all you all are wondering this is too small, then definitely this is only for chopping onions. And that is also for my husband. Sometimes he wants onion, and if I'm busy with doing something, he can chop on this, and that is why I got this for him. Basically, he never cuts anything, he never chops anything. I do everything, but if at all he wants, then he can use this. That is why 59 rupees for this. Okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things down, and now 4 things are basically kind of storage things. The first thing is this, a small teenu bowl. Okay, the MRP I'm not sure, it's not written, but I got this for 19 rupees. I'm pretty sure 19 rupees. Now you all will say ki Meghna, you can go on the local market, you will get this kind of bowl in 5-10 rupees. Yes, you do get, but the quality of this is pretty hard and strong plastic. Of course, this is plastic. The size is like, you all can see the size. They have given you the specifications and everything. So this is the first bowl. If at all I want to keep my beauty blender, or maybe some sharpeners, or maybe not lipstick, the lip balms or something, then definitely for that this will be useful. The second tray is this. This is for, you can say, makeup brushes, or maybe for eyeliners, maybe for kajals, or maybe anything you can keep. Or else if you want to use, you can use it in your kitchen also to keep some small jars or whatever you want to keep. You can keep anything. There is no hard and fast. This I got it for 29 rupees. Yes, this was for 29. But just because I can make the full set, that is why I got everything from there. And this is the next. I got it for 39 rupees. This is the MRP is not written, so this is for 39 rupees. The next thing. Okay, and the last thing is this big tray. This is for, I guess, 89 or 99 rupees. I'm not sure. This is the full tray, a big tray. Okay, now you will ask me, ki Meghna, whether you like all the products. I liked 8 products out of 9. Only this tray is little bit, you all can see, it is a little bit flimsy, but I think once you keep everything, it can hold properly. But while it is empty, I can like turn it, and just because this is a big tray, I think that is why also, I'm not sure. So only this thing is little bit okay quality. Otherwise the rest all 8 products are very good quality. And definitely if I get a chance, and I definitely am searching few more things, I am like planning to get some photo frames and all, so I am definitely going to buy. I'm repeating definitely, I'm so sorry. I am planning to buy that photo frames also from IKEA itself, because I like the photo frames and all. They have 7 sets, they have 5 sets, 5-piece sets, 7-piece sets. So I am little bit intrigued on that. So out of 9, I liked 8 products. One, of course, because of size, I can give exemptions to that, right? And I have shown you, that is all. I have just got 8 to 9 products because this was my first order. I was not aware of the quality, I was not aware of the shipping, how much time it will take and all. Yes, definitely they sent me, they kept me updating with the SMS, emails and everything, that my order is dispatched, that my order is on the way, I will be receiving the order between this date, from this time to this time. They have given you the timing also, they have given, like, they informed each and everything. So definitely in that particular point, I will say IKEA very good. Of course, we get messages from Amazon, Myntra and all as well. But over here, as I told you, you do have to pay a flat shipping cost as per your order weight. That is the weight of your order, you have to pay the shipping cost. Yeah, and if at all anything you have query related to this IKEA, you can let me know in the comment section, or else, as I told you earlier, you can DM me on Instagram as well. And if you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, that also you can let me know in the comment section. I will try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, please give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. You people do watch the full video, but you actually forget to like. Please don't do it. As I always say, your one like will encourage me to make more such 100 videos. Yes, 100 videos. I'm not exaggerating. It encourages me a lot. So please don't disappoint me. Encourage me to make such more fun content. That's it for today's video. I'm signing off for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.